In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull a report showing emails sent in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand navigation panel. Click Reports. This is the central place where QuickBooks organizes all your reporting options, and it's where you'll quickly find the information you need without digging through multiple screens. Once the Reports page opens, make sure you're on the Standard tab. The Standard tab groups ready-made reports by category, so you can access common lists and summaries fast. Next, find and select the report called Invoice List. This report gives you a straightforward view of your invoices in a familiar table format, which makes it perfect for adding a simple status indicator like whether an invoice has been emailed. Once the invoice list opens, look toward the top right of the report and click Columns. This control lets you choose exactly which fields appear on the report, so you can tailor the view to the details that matter most for your workflow. In the Columns options, add the column labeled Sent. As soon as you include the Sent column, your report will refresh to display an extra field beside each invoice. That Sent field shows whether the invoice has been sent via email through QuickBooks Online. Typically, you'll see a yes, a check mark, or another clear indicator for invoices that were emailed, and a blank or no for those that haven't been sent through the QuickBooks email system. Now you can scan the list at a glance to confirm which invoices have gone out by email. This is especially helpful if you're following up on outstanding balances, confirming client communications, or double-checking your team's sending workflow. Keep in mind, the Sent column reflects emails sent directly from QuickBooks Online. If you downloaded an invoice and sent it from another email tool, that activity may not appear as sent here. That's all there is to it. By opening Reports, staying on the Standard tab, choosing Invoice List, and adding the Sent column, you've created a clean, reliable view of which invoices were emailed. It's a quick, repeatable way to keep your billing organized and your follow-ups timely. If you ever return to this report later, the same steps will get you back to this view in seconds. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to pull a report that shows emails sent in QuickBooks Online.